Well, Skillibeng find out say him and Jamaicans are no friend because the Jamaican artist just announced that his luggage was infiltrated and he lost over $100,000 worth of jewelry. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know if you ever lose anything out of the airport. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your Rastafari friend. It's Rastafari soldier. Yeah, talking to you again. Imagine big artists like Skillibeng. You're going to big up on yourself wherever on there. Because I and I, man, right now, they're in the foreign land, the land of Barrington. You are going to big up all the people them from Clarendon and all over the place. You are going to. Because right now, dancehall hitmaker Skillibeng find out the Jamaicans and him and another friend because the St. Thomas dancehall artist Skilly took to social media on Thursday to announce that some of his valuables were stolen at the Norman Manley International Airport. Ain't lucky, see I just some and never all of them. Shortly after 2 p.m., M. Watt Wormington, who's commonly known as Skillibeng, shared a statement and captioned the post, "Why would you trouble, along with a purple angry emoji. Why purple? The text share stated, the person will take out me $100,000 jewelry at MIA, hashtag MIA airport, before you go pan the airplane them. Me a save yourself or call 876-448-2156 limited time frame. He went on social media. Everybody and Dotty know who was responsible for the search. The bag. So let me get this. Let me get this back. Check out the statement right here, family. Yeah, a Google check shows that $100,000 US is about $15 million. Why you have that in your bag? Before you put it on your neck and put it on your wrist. Listen, 100,000 US worth of jewelry stolen at the MI. You can't do that. Norman Manley International Airport. Two people work out there. Crooks and thieves. You can't put your expensive things in a non-check luggage. You are going to, because them are going to take it out. Better you hide it under your sleeve. Ladies and gentlemen, another example. Another update. You need to be aware. Don't find out like Skillibeng late. That when you are shipping things in a Jamaica, make sure you angle it, bangle it, and put it all in your underwear. Put it in your socks. You can't be stupid like that. $100,000 jewelry. Might as well you did put in $100,000 as cash. Leave your comment on this one. Let me know if Skilly a lie or if you think so. The Norman Manley International Baggage Handler them a try for scam as usual, because Skilly are not the only one that loses stuff. I know many people that have lost their electronics, their baby clothes, and them baby food. Even lose them brand new shoes. Leave your comment on this one if you know nobody wherever got ramsack or even got scalawag or even got railroaded over there at the Montego Bay Airport or the one at town. Norman Manley Airport no good again. It never was. Skillibeng. Me hope you get back this $100,000 jewel. But me no know if you take people for fall. Subscribe and like and share to the Rastaman channel. Leave your comment. Let me know if I idiot, Skilly idiot, for putting $100,000 worth of jewelry or flying to Jamaica. Are you crazy, man? Put it round your neck. And that you get.
put her in fire again.